Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have, this here is the cover for my Tesla, so I can kind of cover the headliner so it won't get so much sun coming blazing through. So I'm going to show you guys this thing here. We'll check it out and try to fit it in the car. Oops. Let's see what we got here. We got some little baggie. This stuff here. Is what it looks like here. Got some foam. And so we got two of these looking butterfly things. I guess the reflective side is probably going to shine up. And so there's one piece. Looks like we get it in a two-piece section here. And there is the second one. So one of them has, are they exactly the same? Let me see. No, they're different from each other. So one of them is going to be for the front and one's for the back. Figure out which one's for which here in a second. Let me just try this. I'll let you know. Okay. So the smaller one goes for the back. Okay. And then these must be the clips to clip it in place. And they are. So these little clips, I've used these kind of clips before. They kind of, hey, doing a little review. How are you? Okay, so these little clips, they go on like this, and then they'll kind of jam up into the top of the car. So let me get this one here on, and then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me see, I figure I'll probably try like 6 clips for each one. That was quick. I already got the back one on, so I'll show you kind of how I'm talking about here. So here you go. You can see it's nice and sealed up pretty good back here, and then these little clips are right here, and they just kind of go up into the thing there. So now I have half of a cover. So let me try the other half. I'll see if I can leave this filming as I do it. Let's see. Okay, let's see. They're doing great. How about yours? Good. Oh, good. Okay, so here we are, and it's all sealed up. So now I have a black roof. It's hard to really tell much of anything, but that's what it looks like from the inside. From the outside, I don't know if you can see anything. Probably not. You see the reflection of my roof, but it's good. I like it. So should be keeping the sun out for a little while. So, and when it's hot, it'll be nice.